What up, though, YouTube? It's your boy Kelvin J. Today, I'm gonna be talking to y'all about Pop On Veneers. So I came across Pop On Veneers, and you pop them on and they supposed to look like perfect teeth. So literally, I bought it on Tuesday. I got the impression kit, sent it back, and they got it back that Thursday. It was that quick, 2 to 3 days. You get your teeth. One thing I like that they send the molds is that you can see the craftsmanship of the designer with the molds, and you can see how precise they cut your mold to the design. With this cool little box, got a little thank you in there, Pop On Veneers. Got a little toothbrush to come in there to brush your teeth. Mine came with a separate mirror. Cleaning solution, just help keep them clean. Now, as far as the pricing, and your teeth is like, you got missing teeth, and you know, they crooked, raggedy, however they may be, extremely stained. Definitely worth the money, definitely worth the money. It is a very good investment. Go ahead and try out Pop On Veneers.